And you can see my screen, so I can show you.
Yeah, I am here, bro. Welcome to the stream, everyone. We are just planning out our next week. It is a public holiday in the States, so we do like to take our trading very, very careful. It could be very volatile. There's a big move coming. It could come now. It could come later. It could potentially come after the holidays, right? I don't know what holiday they're celebrating down there, the Americans, but quite frankly. We just have to be prepared to take whatever move that they may or may not fade this weekend. Right. So tell me, before I get to my charts, I'm
Yeah,
interested to see your perspective because you've been learning and you've been making some good calls. So take it away, Whittleton.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. Yeah, I will show you my opinion about the daily chart of BTC and correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I have a lot of lines. Oh shoot, I have
Sorry, bro.
a lot of lines on my screen, but so on the daily we can see the price is now trying to fight the conversion. I don't know if it's above, like I think it's a
No,
little
son,
bit above the conversion.
slightly.
Slightly, yeah. Well, it's still making a decision.
Uh
Um,
huh.
so the price now is in the middle of the cloud, right?
Yep.
The cloud acts like a magnet. It was at the bottom, it hits inside, it got into this price area, and now it's
Yep.
with the conversion at the same level. So in order to make a a new high of from this level, it need to break first of all to be above the conversion,
Correct.
to be above the daily base,
Correct.
and like there's might even some resistance on the way, like a little resistance here
As, as
and there.
Yeah,
Like
there's resistance. I tend to agree with you right there.
with this action of volume, I don't see this breaking easily. Like those maybe a little resistance, but it will maybe will have a struggle at breaking this up. In order to make a correction down, it's much easier from the point I see. Like we have something here with like some support over here, resistance,
Mm-hmm.
support, sorry, support over here. Nothing big. So in order to make a correction towards this level of the edge of the cloud, of the
Mm-hmm.
bottom to the
Mm-hmm.
bottom of the cloud, it just need to close under the conversion, and the way is much easier to be to find BTC at this level,
Mm-hmm.
and at least, and from there maybe like we can go even lower. So I'm
Now, go on.
yeah.
Let's.
No, I'm about to say that I think that the most reasonable way for BTC to move is down to here,
Yeah,
to this level.
to the order block, right? To the previous place that it pumped from last time, and basically what I'm doing now is I'm plotting out my chart and I'm about to show you now. It's very similar to yours. Of course,
Yeah,
you
I'm
will see.
disconnecting my screen.
No, no, you can leave it there for now. I'm just finishing up, man. No need. I'll basically what I'm doing now is I'm outlining Monday low and Monday high, right? I love this. I love this. People love this level. So I want to go where the herd is going and where the herd is going to bid. Now, let me just basically my levels are very similar to yours. So I'll swap over. You can keep it on if you want, because I'm just gonna be talking about it. All I need to do is just grab this and what's his name? Indu can see it on YouTube. Okay, so this way we can compare levels together. Okay, I love looking at a screen. This is nice. I think I'm
Yeah,
gonna have
I'm marking my Monday high and low as well.
yeah.
I forgot them. Jesus.
Now, now I just want to let you know that our range right now. This is just my perspective. By the way, you can still swap streams. Like you can still have your streams open. You can just change if you like. Like I can change my window. You know what I mean? You can still see
Oh,
what.
yeah, I left my screen open as, for now, but I think I will turn it off as soon as I finish this. Like I have nothing to show either. This is the only thing I've been working on like this
Okay.
half an hour.
All right.
So
Uh, I'm gonna take over for a second. I just wanna show you a couple of things that you need to keep in mind.
sure,
While it's a great
there you go.
analysis, man, you've made so much progress since you started doing the Ichi Cloud, and bravo. And
Thanks.
I just want to fine tune it a little bit. I just want to add an extra level that you should keep in mind.
Let's go.
While at the moment we have to add to that, if we were to pull back, I would see BTC pulling back to either at least for me personally, I think they will try and test Monday high right here and Monday low, okay, until the new range is formed. But the problem is the burgers have a holiday. When the burgers have a holiday, the base is undefended, and when the base is undefended, the, the whales. I don't want to say the name of the country because it might, the counter American races of the whales will capitalize on this, and they will capitalize on it heavily. They know that there is liquidity to be grabbed. If we look at the high lock, the heat map, you can see there is a lot of liquidations to be taken out here in the in 27391, which you said you're completely right, which is the daily base. Okay, 1 day base. We could use that as a level. I made it nice and clear. Everybody knows now my chart is the red is base, blue is conversion. Okay, 1 day. Okay, there's no other colors. Purple is Monday. Okay, and boxes are for zones. Okay,
Yeah. Also, I noticed we are at a very stronger
now
resistance in front of us.
this is the weekend range that we're in right now. This little resistance that we have here, it's actually the resistance, and the resistance is actually this cloud here that you can see, which is also supported by conversion and the base in line with each other, as you can see here. Conversion, base, Kumo cloud. That is a strong resistance. Where would I flip long? It's very easy. Where would I flip long? If we were to break structure, take this out, retest it, aim this, or I wouldn't even long there. Like, it's better. One or two things you can do. You can aim for a short. Why? It's simple. Sometimes Ichimoku does not work in a ranging market. You know this. Okay.
Yeah.
Look what happened when we had a previous move like this. Dump, grind, dump, up, close above, hold the previous resistances as support right there. Look what happened. Oh shit, give me a second. I hate all my charts do that. I'll do it all the time. Similar to here, as you can see, dump, grind, dump, pump, a little consolidation there, followed by a dump. Again, boom, dump. Okay. Big accounts cannot add huge positions in one go. They cannot sell in one go. That's why I sent you these things before in the chat. I mean, in the Discord, that I told everyone, like, it's a must read. If you haven't read it, I understand, because we do have a life, we do have other things. But in your spare time, please spare 15 minutes of your day today, reading this, right? I see so many ICT SMC traders pop up on my feed every day. One of the main concepts of order blocks, which are supposed to be the levels that smart money is using for buying and selling, all right, is because, in short, if you it's not really a place where little fishes like us, it doesn't really matter if we want to bid there. As a matter of fact, up to $1,000 you can just buy, and it's no issues. But you know, for people that are bidding 10,000 to 50,000 to 100,000, bro, it's not simple. You've seen me buy XRP and I nibble every time it pulls back. Like you have to DCA. The term dollar cost average is so important. Like these guys here, when they were selling, they sell in bits. That's why you see just a big one. All right, and then let it go back up there again, and they dump it again, up here again, they dump it again. They're not gonna dump the whole thing there, and it jumps up there again, they dump it again. It goes up there again, they dump it again. It's all following a certain level. Is the market manipulated? Yes, in a way. It works in auctions, right? That's how the market works. Now, with that being said, if we are bullish or if we are bearish, these guys that are selling here, or these people that were selling, they cannot just unload their bag. They can't. As a matter of fact, they have to cover their position and buy again to drive the price back up. It's very complicated when you're trading in the millions, bro. Very complicated if you have such big accounts. Like whales that have like 1,000 BTCs they want to sell. You can't just market sell 1,000 BTC. You'll tank the market. You're actually, it's counterproductive. You actually make your assets lower. Why am I saying all of this? Because if we were going and truly are going to the gulag, do you really think that they want to sell here again? This is showing that the market is weak. So what they do is they drive the price up again and they sell. They consolidate here, okay, until this, you'll see this, until this turns red. Does that make sense? This will turn red, and this guy here, green, will be thin. And we don't like thin, we like thick, right? So this guy here, as time progresses and the price doesn't go up, this daily will actually turn bearish. Can I show you an example? Yeah? Down here, and it turns bearish.
Under the cloud. If it's like consolidate below. Yeah,
and if it starts consolidating below, simple. It turns bearish. At the current time, we're still bullish. Right? We haven't really made this cloud yet.
Yeah, we are in the middle. It's so annoying.
It's very annoying.
I hate it when the price is in the middle.
When the price is in the middle, go to the springs, go fishing, go out, relax. You know, what did I do today? I played games, didn't I? Because it lets you things much more clearly. And that was the first thing I wanted to discuss on the agenda, right? Was basically Bitcoin weekly plan. This is my weekly plan. I've already done it. It's simple. First and foremost, I've already done all this plan to reduce the noise and make me see clear. That's it. This is my level. I know if I want to play in a 1 hour chat, I'll play in a 1 hour chat. This is a clear short. If that's where I would short, I would lose less. I would make less money and be risking less, obviously, because the stops are bigger. But what does that entitle me? What benefit does that give me? Why would I, you know, a lot of people ask me, what the fuck, won't you just, you know, short this is a clear, you know, over and under setup, cannot reclaim this resistance level. Fuck what you think. Yeah, this is exactly what I think, right? If we are clearly going in a downtrend and I want to confirm setup, this is obvious.
Why not to lose like a few pennies for confirmation on the retest?
I would rather pay. In a way, I'm losing money in a little bit. Oh, well, I'm not really losing the money. I'm losing gains. That's right. I'm reducing my gain, but I'm reducing my risk. And what is my second principle in trading? Risk management. That's it. I don't give a shit about how much I make. That's the second thing that I want to do. I want to find my entry, and my entry is good. And I didn't take a trade today because I took a stop loss on quant, and I'm a simple man, right? And an even better confirmation is losing this level. Losing Monday high, you do
You have
this,
to close all the gap.
and watch this. Watch this, yeah? Boom! Under the cloud,
But
baby.
it will close, kind of will close the gap.
That's right. Like, and then once this loses this level, what is it gonna do? What is this? Fuck, man. I'm like, I wish I know how to do shortcuts, bro. I'm a little bit. One. Why am I risking shit getting chopped up in this? Like, you know how many people got chopped this weekend? This many
Wow.
people. All right. While I actually agree with your short, I do. Believe me, I do. But I want better confirmation. Why? And it also is in line with your teachings as well. Right? Like I could even move it there. Once this is broken, I can. It's easier because this is a strong, you know, a strong resistance again. Once it's broken, as support. Because this,
Yeah.
right? Or if you don't want to short, which I really don't want to short because the risk reward is actually better if you flip long. You want to see? It's so easy to long right now. The real alpha, the real sigma traders, fuck, it's this one. Is waiting for this to break. When did I enter? You know when I entered. I entered live. 25 to 321. I can fucking ride this to 40,000 if I want. Big deal. Free money. It's risk free. What am I? What do I have to risk? Nothing. What, $30? Fuck that $30. Now, but if I long here, I could potentially get stopped and lose my lose the gains that I got. This would be a nice long as well. If you wanted to scalp, it's actually not a bad scalp. If you started closing above this level, like properly, like scalp, yeah. TP1 and TP2. I'm not really interested at the moment. I actually want to get like I want to have a nice relaxing time waiting for the burgers to wake up and start bidding again. You know who's the most important?
Why do you call them burgers?
Because why not? I like calling them burgers.
First of all, you made me hungry. Second of all, why burgers?
Because McDonald's is from America. Hey man, they're part of.
You based the name on McDonald's.
Yeah. It's one of the biggest company in Nasdaq, the burgers, right?
Oh,
this is
man.
if you really wanted to take a trade. I know who's itching for a trade. I know Indu is itching for a trade. He's dying for a trade. He's waiting. He is not gonna. I know he's not gonna take a foolish trade. He's going to wait, and a nice way to take a scalp, yeah, a scalp. Break this and hold. TP1, TP2. Easy invalidation, but you must enter like this. You must be disciplined, and this is if you were this is a 3.95 hour trade. Surely that's impressive. 3.8. See, you can make this. You can make the same money in a swing long as what you would do in 15 minutes. But do you have the balls to bid that much in a 15-minute chart? Probably not. But if you have a good setup, take it. Believe in yourself and wait for the confirmation candle, 15-minute or even 15-minute or even 1 hour here, and then wait for the pullback. If it doesn't pull back, fucking go with it. Buy the breakout here. If the 1 hour closes above this trend, go long. Remember that. If I'm sleeping and you see this breakout on the 1 hourly, take the fucking trade. You guys haven't lost this weekend, haven't you? You're still in the short.
Again?
Have you
I'm
lost?
still in my short. Yeah, I lost on Shiba.
That's fine.
I still in my BNB short.
But we'll talk about that. We'll talk about that. That's interesting.
Yeah. But for now, my BTC is in a short to the level of 26,701, which I believe that it will go this way, but I'm not sure if I will exit on my top take profit. I will be happy to take it even in the middle, because this trade is taking too long. My planning was be for this trade like a few hours.
First and foremost, this chop zone is creating higher lower highs. Now in order for that to cancel, it needs to do this, and the last time it did this, what happened here? Yeah, I was waiting. I waited. I entered there, and I see and I looked at it climb up, and I said to you, if we close above this level, it's over 4 shorts. And what happened? We rallied. But that just comes with experience over time. You'll just know that, because what happens is, right, a lot of people that are in shorts, this is what they're thinking, right? Fuck, my shorts is screwed if we close hourly above this conversion, above this level. And it did, and all these people close their shorts. This is not really buying, man. As you can see here on Coinalyze, you can see, like we talked about this, I said, hey, I want to see what's going on here. Like I want to see what's going on here, right? And this is the level, yeah, from here, yeah. What's the time? 15th of June, right? That's when the pump happened, right? 15th of June, 17 here. This is fucking UTC.
Like, right. I need BTC to close below the conversion on the hourly. Then maybe I will take profit on 26,300. If I may, so we'll see about that.
16th of June 23 at 2 a.m. That's when he pumped, right? That's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you something. I want to show you something. I want you to theorize something with me. I want you to make a theory with me today on stream, bro, because I love it, right? Look at this. This is shorts taking profit, people building spot, followed by what? Is that people buying spot, bro?
Oh, it's curving.
It's curving there, but look at the general consensus. Bro, there is they're selling.
Oh.
Who's getting out? Who's getting out?
But when you mean like who, when you say who, you mean like the price is mixed. The prices contains retails, institutions, like a lot of people. But who is the main character that you're talking about when you say big money? Who's really moving the price? Like,
who is this guy? Is it Putin?
I have a conspiracy on this guy, but I won't tell it on stream. Yeah,
we'll talk about this later. Okay, look, listen. There may be one more leg up. Okay, there is. This is why I'm scared of shorting right now, because I have a theory. I can
hedge.
Ooh. You can hedge. Of course you can hedge, bro. You can do anything. right? First of all, let me get this, right? Let me just show you what it looks like on open interest. Here. Who the fuck? This is shorts closing. This is shorts closing.
What is this? Where are you looking?
This is open interest. See this?
Yes, yes, yes,
It,
yes.
it dumped, and people aped into what? Into shorts? Of course they aped into shorts and longs at the same time. But longs clearly won here because all these shorts got liquidated. Look at this. You see it?
Yeah,
Look at this line
yeah,
here.
yes, yes. By the in the left side, how the price is moving on the open interest, it's moving up, but at
The,
the same time on the BCC chart you have like mixed candles of selling and buying.
and
But
this is yeah.
the open interest like showing the truth that the longs is one on this on this one.
Because this is idiots shorting the absolute bottom without any conviction. This is exactly what they did, bro. I know exactly what they did because you know what? I used to be them, and I respect them. This is what they did. They fucking shorted the bottom. These people in the wiki, they shorted the bottom. Oh, we're going to 22k. Shut the fuck up. We're not going to 22k until you get a confirmation. Okay? We're here. We here because we want to make money, and we're not gonna make our account bleed. We're here to actually trade with confirmation, not gamble. All these dickheads right here, they fed me. They moved their money from their account to my account. That's exactly what I did. And when did I flip long? Here. Because I know what's gonna happen, right? And you saw this live. And I drew this level and I waited for it to go back and I bid. I didn't even bid small. But I also didn't have a chance to bid big on my main account. Imagine I did. Put like a 10k 10x. Oof. 10k 10x. Let me just imagine the smell.
Yeah.
Fuck. 60%. That's what? 10k 10x. $6,000. Hang on. Is my match right? 60% of 10,000 is $6,000, right? $6,000. Yeah. Who gives a shit? I didn't enter the trade, but this is the thing, right? I'm so G'd to see what's gonna happen. What's the next move that's gonna happen? The reality is this whole move was driven not by spot. It was driven by a little bit of spot, like the whales help push a little bit, get these guys liquidated. Why? Because they want to have the real move. If this is big money, this is small money aping in. I will tell something truthfully on the stream. People who trade leverage have no money, including myself. Right now, I say on the stream. If you had money, you would not take leverage, bro. Leverage is us borrowing money from the exchange to have a bigger size in order for us to get the gains that we want, because we don't have the money to begin with. So we take more risk. But our risk is defined, which makes it okay. That's the reality of the market. Like, correct me if I'm wrong. That's 90% of why people trade leverage. That is 100x because you want the gains. That's the reality. But big money, they just buy spot, bro. They just swap. They buy bit by bit. Now, don't get me wrong. There's also big money playing leverage, because the reality is that the crypto futures market, or any futures market, is a very, very lucrative casino. The most lucrative casino in the world. More lucrative than, the casino that you go to Las Vegas. More money than that. That's small money. 240 million in liquidation in 1 hour, bro. Just like that. Yeah. But this is what happened here. This is 240 million liquidations that happened here on altcoins. I think it happened here. There's 240 million in 1 hour in altcoins, all liquidations. These liquidations, the big ones.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm not really too horny at the moment to go long, big long, swing long. I'm just playing my levels, and I think you guys should too. Went there, even if you guys thought, no, I don't see it. I like, even if you don't see like longing here, play the range, respect the levels, and just play with it. Reclaim of this box, go long. Even if it was scary. Was my heart beating when I entered that long? Absolutely fucking yes. But when you buy it and your heart is beating, it's probably the right move. But right now I want a long, I know it's the wrong move. Because you know why? I feel like I want to buy it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If it feels scary to buy it, it's usually right. What I've learned in the past, yeah, that's the levels. If you have anything more to add, by all means. I'm expecting I can either long there, or I can add to my shorts. I mean, I could add to my longs if we have not. This is the only time I would long too. Yeah, if we bounce one more time here and we keep on holding it, or even right like this, right? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. That's when I would long. And I'll tell you why. Because we don't catch a falling knife. Do you want to see what happened to people that catch the falling knife? I'll show you. This guy that's talking on stream right now. I saw the 4 hour. I posted a chart. I was so confident that it was gonna close it was gonna close this one here was gonna close above this Kumo cloud, and it didn't. It closed like that. As a matter of fact, it hit this level 10 minutes after I left the stream. That's why we don't ever try and catch a falling knife. I know it was a small position, I got hasty, but I like to talk about my losses as much as I like to talk about my wins, right? Because that's how we learn. Yeah. Now, the way to long quant is wait for it to do that and hold with 4 hour confirmations. 1 hour confirmation, 15-minute confirmation is only for scalps. Okay, that's that. Any questions about BTC? Al, you've been awfully quiet. I know you're there. Just listening, participating. Yeah, he's probably AFK. It's potential you can do edge to edge with quant as well, but there's better setups, right? Lena is looking like a short. Key is a potential long in 2 hours, which you would have to monitor very quickly. I mean, it's better for you if this is a BOS, a break of structure here, or choke, right? Change of character. It's better for you to short this and put it up here and try and aim 1, 2. Anything you'd like to add, bro? Because we're about to talk about the total, DEXI, BTC dominance, and USDT.
No, nothing. No, I feel like
we covered it pretty well. That BTC, that was almost 30-minute talk on BTC alone. I think that's
like I have a feeling it's gonna like until the end of the day, like it will consolidate on that level between the conversion and the resistance you have.
And the base. This it's funny that you mentioned that, because I have a feeling that we're still going to be playing in this range here. Base conversion like this, similar to this range. Because can we agree that this was our previous range? This was a range, yeah?
We play the same way, yeah.
We'll play the same way, bro. We'll scalp it if we have to, but please, for the love of God, as juicy as it is, to look at charts like Glimmer.
I'm not getting into any altcoins until BTC doing something clear.
Yeah, I think I have proven as well to you guys, you can still make the same amount of money with a small range of movement than what you would do in like, you know, all in all, it's great that if anyone here on like caught that, because I didn't, because this happened at 12 o'clock today.
Wow.
At 12 o'clock, it rallied. It rallied. He just like this. There's a big player here that got liquidated. I think this is I think to be honest with you, like I think this is an attack on a position, or it was news. It's either that or news. Like a 30 fucking percent rally on Glimmer.
I feel like the alts will bleed soon. When I see the Ethereum Bitcoin chart,
Mm-hmm.
the Bitcoin starting to get dominance and the Ethereum starting to get weaker.
Mm-hmm.
And when this happens, the alts love to bleed. So I don't know, but if I look at the BTC dominance, looks like the conversion is curling up on the 4 hours, yeah?
Mm.
You know what, I will do it on a daily. See on a daily.
Or what? On what? Which one?
Ethereum, Bitcoin,
Yeah. Have we done that yet
it's
today?
BTC. No, I'm just started right
This
now.
is this is exactly what I done. Like, I'm not gonna say that I completely predicted this move. All I did was I left this for a very long time, and I did charts, right? It's either gonna do this and hold and pump, or it's gonna break through and dump. Where would you short be? Where would you short alts?
On the retest. On the
Exactly.
retest.
It's very
At the
scary.
full retest.
Yeah, because as you can see right now, Ethereum is doing stronger than than BTC. Because how it works usually is like this, in my experience. BTC, Ethereum alts, microcaps, dump. That's how it rallies. It always has been.
What do you mean? What do you mean again?
The
Like
first
what?
coin that pumps is Big Daddy. And it
Okay.
was lagging the first day, wasn't it? You did not see fucking gains like 10, 20% gains on these coins on the first day that it pumped. Like you see that today. Like what's that coin called? Coin bubble? What is it called? Bubble,
Uh,
crypto bubbles? Here it is.
yeah, crypto bubbles.
Look at these. On the hourly, look at the daily. You did not see double digit gains like this on the first day. You see 5% gains, you know what I mean? Like, this is a very illiquid market. Look at this. What one guy, like one person buys and it pumps 19%. Get real, bro. There's no money going into these things right now. People are still scared. And these are probably shorts taking profit, followed by people buying spot at the bottom, pushing the price out upwards, causing a liquidation cascade. A liquidation cascade is one stops triggering one after the other. I just want to show you this before we move on to ETH BTC again, because it's very important, right?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
On the hourly, this is a fantastic example of that. I don't know who it was,
It was.
but what happened
Wow.
is it filled this gap after it broke this, right? See how the first one, you push that upwards like this, vroom, right? And it dumped and it closed above on the hourly, and people just fucking aped in and kept on pushing it. And after that, this candle alone, this gap alone was worth 10%, right?
Wow.
And people took
That's
profit. This is the setups that you look for if you really did want to play altcoins, which means you only need to take 1% because your gains are so much more, if that makes sense.
Yes.
Right? So you look for a breakout like this, and you get in, and you just place it underneath like this.
Yeah,
Right?
searching a needle in a pool of garbage.
Good luck. It's not worth your
Yeah.
time. It's not worth your time, bro, because your time is more valuable in being patient and waiting for a real coin to move. Fuck this move, bro. 15%, bro. How often does these trade actually play out here? Like I estimated Quant to do that move this weekend, and he didn't. I'm not gonna give up on a coin like that because it can potentially still move up, right? But with that being said, man, it is bleeding like the whole, like, what's the pattern right now? Like things like this, right? It pumps, and it retraces the whole move. What does that say? People are getting out of the market. Big position coming in, right? Maybe there's still whales that hasn't sold at this level, 116. So what happened is they bought down here again in spots, right? They drive the price up, triggering all these stuff. So all you need to do in an illiquid market, in a market that's not liquid at all, right? Now you see these shorts building here, right? Like you see this zone building. If you're a big player, all you need to do is take them out. You take them out. That's one stop. And here, these ones here, you take these guys out. Once this price goes up, they'll start closing it, forcing them to buy back into the market. Not on spot, but it's still driving the market up. You push this guy in, up. This guy's out, keep going. This guy's out, gap, push, resistance, take profit, keep pushing. Now exit your position slowly. And in reality, you already profited because you're already exiting
Yeah.
at a 20% pump, right? If you put 100,000 in spot, you're making all these dickheads down here close. All smart money needs to do is nibble 100k, 200k order to exit their 800k position here slowly, swapping, timely weighted average pricing, like that swap, right? Anyway, ETC BTC looks like shit right now. Now you see this is gonna rally a little bit,
Yeah, till the edge of the cloud.
yeah, which means if you were to take a long, oh Jesus Christ, what do you want me to do, bro? Like, what do you want me to do? Like, do you want me to long, like, you know where I would long, I would long Ethereum here if it closes daily above like this, right?
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking in my head of the level that I was getting into along at the same level that you draw.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh, that's a short. Sorry, I've been used to shorting. Edge to edge. Nice and tight. Let's keep moving up like this. There's no point doing this, yeah? This is silly because it's edge to edge. 1 second, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Yo,
Hey,
Yo,
uh, yo, hey Al. So Ethereum is looking strong right now on a daily.
I'll tell you why.
yeah,
Why?
Look what I'm setting
Hmm?
on the Trader Alpha.
Hey, I noticed that there's a chat on top of Traders Alpha. Is that where we just chat and Traders Alpha is where we just... I like that. Divide that.
it doesn't really. I mean, we can just close the chat and just have it trade as alpha and just people just talking there.
This is what are you talking? Tell me what is this? What have you found on Ether that I don't see? Like the hourly maybe that I don't see?
Okay, go
Oh
to the
fuck.
USD dominance.
Okay, that's what we were gonna discuss next, man. That's a nice. I was actually looking at this
Now, where the price is standing on the... Oh, no, sorry, I'm sorry, wait a second.
BTCT.
I'm correcting myself.
Easy, easy. What are we looking at? B.
Oh shit,
What?
I'm editing my message on the Discord. Okay,
Sorry.
cool. So on the USDT dominance on the 4 hours, we inside the cloud of
Uh huh.
the top edge of the Ichimoku. If it closes that way into four in the next hour, like we can go down till the baseline, which is 7.9%. This is why the alts may pump in the next hour
Are we talking about this? Or are
by
we talking
by
about?
2%, something like that, right?
Yeah, I see it. I mean, it can drop a little bit here. It could drop.
Yeah.
It could drop 2%. Yeah, is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah, this is why the alts may pump.
I'll also give you another coin, another level that you see. This is what's been happening. Also, take a look at this. Like, be aware of this baseline. I mean, be
Yeah,
aware of this conversion. Okay, very very aware. Like like
coming
you
up.
just you enter a short, and after that we get after you enter a long, and then we get destroyed because it'll bounce here. Because this is support. Like, hang on. Yeah, this is support here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
This zone here, like this maybe, like this. There we go. Potential reversal because this is bullish. This is a very strong bull as well. See this gap?
yeah.
Test.
I, we can hear.
What the heck? I just had a flash. I just had a flash disconnection. Let me check my YouTube.
Cool.
Oh God, I hate my internet. Like, it's not fair for Indu that he's watching. He's trying to watch online and he's trying to learn. Oh, I'm still on. What the heck? Indu, am I still on, bro? Oh yeah, I'm still on. That's great. Anyway, um, yeah, that's what I think is going on right now. Um, I'm just aware of maybe this is the one that we need to see. Maybe we're due for a pullback here. Like, to this conversion, this is where we would probably look for like where we would get into BTC again, because this was a huge rally. This rally doesn't give a fuck. Or maybe this level is where we would look for like longs on BTC. Because if BTC right now is looking like it's trying to retest the bottom of this cloud, and others are also doing this.
Yeah, I'm bearish on alts in the next days.
No doubt, bro. It's such a dirty chart. Look at this. I don't even know what that is on Saturday.
Money is going out from the alts. Where will it go? BTC.
Only BTC. Look, I'd love to
Oh.
discuss Dexy, but I would love us to pay a little bit of attention to it, only a little bit. If we were to, I guess, like reverse here, but the real level is the key support here. Like, I'll be careful with longs, because BTC is already looking like shit on on this chart here. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna decorrelate completely? I mean, we've already like decorrelated for quite some time now. Like since March, we've rallied, like they've rallied, and all we've done is the complete opposite. This is from March, like hang on, this is from from March, and Friday 10th March, and then you got here Friday March, March. We've been in a complete downtrend, the complete opposite move right here. So we rallied together. We rallied together, right? With the SVB thing going on here. We rallied, and then we just went on a like after we rallied for a couple of days, we just went down. We decorrelated completely.
Yeah.
But what I've noticed that when stock market dumps, we dump. But when it pumps, we don't pump. So
Yeah, stock market has been running from the start of the year, and we are like we were sitting in a place, nothing.
I think someone made a post on Twitter, so I can't really credit who did it, but
Like we lost correlation.
that's exactly what we're looking for, no? Maybe this was the plan after all.
Maybe.
When stock market pulls back, what if those money goes into BTC? I don't know. I'm just like
Sounds
similar,
reasonable.
like similar to ETH BTC dominance, right? Like it spins, like people rotate their money. Right now they are deep inside this. Like, I just want to let you guys know that this was unexpected. Okay, remember I said once we broke this, we were in a bull run. Well, the next pullback,
Bro.
like I'm looking at buying some Nasdaq. I'm looking at buying some SPX here, but it's only little. Like, you're gonna laugh at me. It's
Nah.
10%. But it's clean though. The money printer is coming, and if BTC is not running when the printer is on, I'm taking this right up, bro. This is what happens at the money printer. This is the money printer.
And there you go, the inflation.
Inflation up, money printer up, Dexy down, and
Yeah.
if this is not, this is like the biggest, like this is the most sexiest chart I've seen. Like even Bitcoin didn't look like this. Okay, it looked better, right? But it looked way
Well,
better than this. But at the moment, don't you wish that Bitcoin has done this? Can I be honest with you? Maybe it's just the age. Maybe it's just me being mature as an investor and a trader. But I would prefer this stable trend, like as a trend, than this.
ugly.
It's ugly. It's unstable. The latest, the last time we did that, wow, look at that, March 20. This is just me dreaming, yeah.
We will get this.
We will.
And we will be ready. Hindu, all, everyone. We will be
Everyone,
ready to like hit it all day.
bro. Like I'm here for you, man. I'm here. Like we will catch this bottom formation. Just remember,
I don't care about the money, fam. I care about the experience.
That's
Like
right.
seriously,
It's
I want to
so
get the
good, right?
progress. Like I want to get ready to know what to do when it comes the time to be fast
My man.
in certain way. So we need
So
this advantage.
if this was the consolidation that we had in the FTX, imagine this as the FTX dump, and it consolidated, and we're here now, right? Like what if we will retest this? Like the picture looks like this again, but just slightly above. So this would be our 17,000 level. And wow, who would have knew? Just remember, right, guys? BTC is at 25.6 now. Just remember, just remember, from March 20, when the printer turned on, we rallied 2,000%. Fuck the S&P 500. That's what I want. This is why we're in crypto, to be honest. To be honest, this is the reality. But regardless of what it is, I can also do the same move by accumulating small wins anyway. So it's gonna be a joyride with you boys when Bitcoin halving happens in when is it?
One year almost. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. 305 days, bro. When's that? 19th of April, right? Still got plenty of time, bro. Still plenty of time. So let's do a little bit of imagining. Um, we still got a bit of time. Where is this? April. When does the halving happen? Does the halving happen on the day, or does it happen after? Like does
I
it
don't
rally
know.
after, or I'm not too sure. But all these guys who got liquidated shorting, right? This is exactly what happened. We need people to short so we can be bulls, and bulls will be bulls. Like even from here to the all-time high, it's not a bad run, bro. If we were to take this TP1, TP2, 100% move. But anyway, ETH BTC, we've already talked about that. We've got to be wary of taking alt trades, but at the same time, I mean, if there's a good trade, like a quick scalp, I mean, I still don't want to take it. Just letting you know, like I still don't want to take this trade. Like
Not yet.
no, if the daily
Not yet.
close above this, I would probably do it. Like even if it was on the weekend and it closes above like this, I'd probably take it. Like on spot too. It's 8%. It's not a good trade, but whatever. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, because I only like right now. I only want to long this guy. Okay. Now what else do we have on my agenda? We'll run through it quickly. Where is it? Where is Indu? It's so quiet without him, even though he doesn't speak. Right, Ether discussion. We've already talked about Ether, I guess. We know what the levels are. Right? Because you know what's scary? If Ether pulls back right now, like we can do it again. Like that. Right? That's Ether for you. BNB. You're gonna love this. If BTC pulls back now and it fakes us out completely, this is actually a very good trade. I should probably add to a swing position here. Because this is looking deadly, right?
Wow.
But at the same time, You could short here.
I'm looking at the daily, and I'm good with my trade for now.
Like I even have it above a daily conversion, so it's fine.
And if it shows some more signs to short, I will add to my position as well.
Yeah. Binance. Well, that's what I think about Binance. So, Matic, Sol, Cardano, and all those security coins, just keep an eye on it. It's the same chart as Binance. You're gonna look at shorting it, I guess. Matic
Hmm
on the 4 hour. Wait for it to come here and short. Okay. And in something above daily Kumo would be XRP. Would be this. All right. Listen, I'll be back. 1 second.
Yeah, of course.
Yo,
Hey, hey.
this is such a small gain on XRP of 5%. How did I not see this? Aha. Wait a minute. This is the nice trend. This is a nice trend on XRP. Let me delete this. So yeah, the next topic was assets or crypto.
I was thinking about the same thing you were thinking now. Like,
What
check
is it?
out the. I sent it the picture in this in the voice chat. XRP. I'm talking with the Ali, with the regular one, but
Why not with this is 15 minutes. It should be with the not normal one.
uh, on the 1 hour,
Same thing. On the 1 hour.
something small. Yeah. It's the regular one. I know. I was with the
Yeah.
one with the 4 hour plus.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's still looking like kind of the same. Kind of same trend.
I just want to zoom out first so I understand my levels. Assets above 1 day Kumo. Good job catching this. What does it look like on the daily? Is bullish. So it absorbed that all of this. Why did I mark this level, bro? I want to know. That's where conversion was before. Oh man, I'm gonna get wrecked if I buy this. Maybe not though, because that is maybe scam pump XRP. What are we aiming for though?
What am I aiming for?
Yeah, like what are we aiming for? Because I was thinking about longing XRP. Or could this be an exit pump? See?
I was thinking about scalping it on the 1 hour.
What, to these levels up here? Possible.
On the 1 hour, like, yeah.
I would probably sit that one out, as in like, because I won't be
Yeah.
on the computer. Oh fuck, it's going. What's the 15-minute looking like right now? Yeah, that's a BOS. Probably here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Stop. Stop. Calm down. Calm down, Tiger. Let me fucking wait, man. Relax. This fucking coin. Scalp like this. 1 hour. On the 1 hourly, you reckon? You think so?
Like maybe to place it on the 15 minutes to scalp something quick, but the 1 hourly gave me the indication.
So we take this out, right?
Like pretty nice gap in the 15 minutes.
What, this gap here, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like this, maybe. like this.
What are we looking at?
XRP. We're just looking at things that are above the Kumo cloud, like on the daily, which means that it's still bullish. Which means that if it runs, it still
Oh,
runs.
but it's yeah. So even on the daily, if it's above the cloud, but the conversion line and the baseline is sync,
Maybe it's a
or
here
maybe
max.
it's just yeah. What it's
Like this, max,
yeah.
max, edge to edge. Like this is the range probably. This one relax. I'd probably go fucking ham on this trade actually. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, what is
What?
this?
Oh, that's
Eh?
what?
Let me check if I'm not
Oh, bro. That's
Ave
strength.
maybe.
That's strength, bro. See this dump?
Yeah, like the picture you showed us.
Holy fuck. That's a lot of spot
What am I
buys.
looking at? Oh, people just buying spot.
Yeah.
Well, the 15-minute is good to go.
This, bro, look at this. This is constant spot buys.
What do you think about Ave as well? Ave
Alright, let's take a look
looks
at Ave. Bro,
from 5 minutes and 50.
I just wanna let you know this move is a real move on XRP. Look, that's bullish.
Yeah.
Anyway. Oh fuck, there
So are we
you go.
buying XRP then?
I'll probably buy in spot. I'll help drive the price up. I'll start swapping it on my main. It's not gonna be much, but
Alright.
it's nice to drive the price up. Buy current long. Buy XRP. I'm filled. If I get dumped on, I get dumped on. I don't give a shit. Here we go. And then we'll do the conditional. The trigger price would be, my stop loss would be here. Right?
What are you putting for stop loss? 0.48. I'm gonna put mine at 0.47 or 48.
4862.
Indu is asking if XRP is a security.
No.
It is. Well, I mean, they're fighting it.
It's the first coin to get hit. Ironically, we said don't long coins that are
Yeah.
we actually longed a coin that is in a lawsuit as a security. That's fucking hilarious. XRP is different, bro. XRP is gonna win. It's quick scalp. I mean, if BTC runs, right? I mean, there's no harm in us aiming for 54 again. Or am I being too ambitious here? Tell me if I'm being ambitious, like if I'm aiming for 55.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe soon to tell. Maybe it's still soon to tell. Like,
Maybe
well, there's a possibility, but
maybe this is what I'll do, right? Just in case it scam pumps, right? This weekend, I'm just gonna make my stop order there, right? On 54, nah, 53.80, right? And then I'll put my trigger price as my stop loss would be. You know what? Fuck this, guys. we're going. We have a theory that it's potential that we can have a bull run from here, right? Potential bottom. A theory, just a theory. I mean, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. It survived the dump. It crossed as a dragonfly doji. It closed as a hammer, and a spinning top as a continuation, followed by this dildo. Maybe like this, right? If we bearish, I mean, if we bullish, we shouldn't be going below this 4733. That's gonna be my OCO. 0.4733. I'm on spot, yeah, no leverage, shit like that, aiming for 53.80. Might be soon to tell, may not be. We seem to like this level, and I'll review as we go, but my stop loss is going to be 47.33. Okay, let's go XRP to the moon. There you go. I already got my stop loss open. That's one.
It's pumping.
Yeah,
It's
45.
Oh my
pumping.
god, I just missed my
I
fucking.
I got it's
No,
pumping.
That was me. I'm helping a little bit. Relax. It can still pull back. Relax. I just bought 5k order on a weekend. It's gonna go up a little bit, man. Relax. It's not all the market. I put my $600, right? And I also put a 5k bid. It's fine. You haven't missed nothing. It's gonna pull back. See? I told you. Calm. It's calm.
Ave.
And I haven't even put in my leverage long yet. Ave. Maybe that's my leverage long this weekend. Thank you for spotting this one out. You're like Baby Yoda. You're Baby Yoda, bro.
Baby Yoda.
Yeah. The future master of the future's universe. All we need to do is BTC just a range here. Like, that's it. Like for the rest of the weekend, if it just behaves here, just chop, pump. Someone's clearly defending this. Anyway, XRP to the moon. All right, let's go, boys. Easy 10% gains, yeah? Do you know why I'm aiming a little bit this high, Middleton? Remember my theory on like things like this, like idiots that are, oh my god, what's going on here?
Ethereum Classic looks like on the hourly. Oh, nice.
What?
Oh, fam, Ethereum Classic. It's maybe about. Wow. Looks like juicy.
Whoa. If you missed that, don't miss this. Just forget all these old drawings, man. Fuck off. Here we go, right? So we draw the boxes, right? The box is the level, right? Like this, right? Don't and by the way, this is the real Ethereum. Never fade the real Ethereum. That's funny. India's like, and I full mention it as well. Do not long coins that are complained to be security. What do we do on stream? Buy the only coin that is actually in lawsuit for a security, not a complaint. An actual,
The chart is
actual.
saying something. Why not listening to it?
That's it, bro. What do you think, bro? On the hour, it looks hot.
Yeah.
If I enter
Yep.
here, and I'll just do this like this, right? It's a 2.45 hour trade. Need this Ethereum classic guy. Right? TP1. See, notice how I actually went for the support first, not the resistance. Because that was the
Yeah.
BOS. That was the break of structure there. That was like the order block. Like remember, like I posted about order blocks, right? Like that was the order block in which it was broken. Right? Alright. Do not, I swear to God, if everyone here is like plays Indu, Al, Whittleton, me, even me, just if you want to play 2%, play 3%, don't play 5.
And I
In
got this one on the voice chat that I sent now. I don't know. Fake move, not fake, but if it closes inside in 12 minutes, maybe edge to edge.
Say less, fam. I'm in.
I'm just going through my list and those are popping in front of my eyes. There's a lot of like looking like like unconfirmed, so but there's a clear ones like this one. So I'm like putting them aside so we will have a list.
Who the fuck got liquidated on this move? What the f... It's starting to curl. Like open interest is starting to curl. People are starting to get into stablecoin margins. And CVD spot is barely surviving.
And
I
your turbo, by the way, your turbo coin is about to do something on the 4 hours.
fuck Turbo. It's only available on KuCoin. Just to let you know,
Something nice.
just to let you know, Al, I completely exited KuCoin. Fuck that, bro.
Yeah, the UI is not that great.
Don't worry about the UI, bro. It screwed me, man. Like you know I love hedging, right, guys? And it didn't let me hedge, and man, I was furious. By the way, Ethereum Classic, RSR. I mean, it's okay. I don't know, fam. Like CVD spot doesn't look nice, isn't it?
Yeah, so this is why we have 12 minutes maybe to get some more info about the next candle.
Hang on though. I'll show you this though. I'll show you this, right? Like on CVD, right? Like from here, from the support here. Nah, I think fake move. I think fake move. I think fake move. But it's a long weekend. Like literally, right? It's actual long weekend.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this?
Yo, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get something
Yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
outside. Give me a few minutes.
Am I really like looking at this on stream? I should probably. What the fuck?
What the fuck did I just watch?
Just keep walking. You didn't see anything. You didn't say anything. Keep going. Ban. Okay. Okay. Over. Under. 1 hour, maybe 4 hours. Ay, ay, ay.
I have a list on the in the Traders Alpha.
Nice. You got 9. You got me for another 9 minutes to take a position. Shib, okay. Well, Shib already pumped, didn't it?
I don't have that.
Uh-oh, what is this? What is this? Is this why it pumped before? Nah. We want this, like, I want this. I want coins that hasn't done this liquidity, like this gap here. It's good, but
Yeah, I mean, I missed the entry this morning, and then I forgot about it.
BCH, USDT. Ugh, already failed. BCH, Dodge. Soon. What if we just get rid of that, right? And just do this, right? It needs to close above this.
Yeah, I love the.
It's a
You're on the
7.
4 hour. Right.
Yeah.
I'm on the 1. I guess yeah. If it closes on the 4 hour, then yeah, probably.
That's like the ultimate confirmation, right?
Yeah.
Like even then, like you can even do this ideally, right? But an even stronger, I'm saying the even stronger move would be if it bounced there and it closed above this black line. That's mad. That's actual like a good confirmation. Well, not really, because maybe like this, maybe like this. All right, maybe like this. I'll cut us some slack. Like on the 1 hourly, it looks okay. There we go. Looks good. Ready for a move, I reckon. Like ready for a
Yeah, I
move.
think I might
Like,
enter one.
hang on. We still got 7 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Getting it ready.
Like we're getting ready. TP1, TP2. Like there we go. That's TP2. No, it's just straight up TP1 there. Just like hold this whole trade. Like one hit wonder. Like that, maybe. Like that. A 4-hour trade. Fuck, that's a good trade actually, bro. Doge, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't entered any futures in a while. XRP I'm in already for spot. See, I told you, like relax with the XRP. That was me before, because the market's not liquid. When you have big orders above 1,000, if you market execute, that's what it does. It drags the price up to the last to the ask. Like it feels one right because there's not a lot, like the books I think it drives the price up. And I'm assuming I'm not the only one bidding. So it looks whoa, the price is moving up. So 4 minutes. So we'll take it easy, waiting trigger. What did it also say? Ethereum Classic. I'm feeling that, bro. I'm actually really feeling that chart. Yeah. Like I feel this. Let's wait for it. Ethereum Classic. Let's check out ETC BTC. I want to know how it looks like on Ether Classic Bitcoin chart on the 15, 1 hour, bull cross there, 2 hours, 4 hours. We need something strong. Let's see XRP to BTC. Where's Indu? Indu, you still here, bro?
I'm here.
You're here.
Yeah, got back. What are we looking at? What is this? XRP.
BTC.
Okay.
XRP
Oh,
BTC. I'm looking at strength against BTC, right?
looks like it's building now, right?
Uh-huh.
But is it enough?
No.
Fake.
What are we looking at here? That's a nice trade there. That's a good 6% move. Like, just wait for 2 minutes, bro. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. I just want to see where this conversion is.
This is Aave.
Yeah.
Oh, you're looking at it. Yeah. It was looking nice as well, yeah?
Yeah,
Like
on the hourly
hourly.
looks nice. I like Ethereum Classic better, to be honest with you. 2 hourly, still inside the cloud. 45 looks good. 30-minute looks good. Bro, if it looks good, it looks good. What do you want me to say? 2 more minutes, and then let's see what else. Did I miss anything? Right. Assets above 1 day Kumo or assets under heavy resistance. We already talked about this. We talked about Lena. We talked about Lido. We talked about Matic. We talked about Cardano, Solana, all these coins, right? That are security, and we don't take any longs on security. But yeah, um, except XRP, because XRP is like fuck Gary Gensler, right? I hope. Oh, he's just a dickhead.
You know there's a
Procedures.
Gensler coin.
Yeah, it's a scam coin.
Yeah. I wonder
Everything.
what happens when he loses his job. Would the coin like pump or would it like?
I don't know, bro. It's probably run by him. Now I'll have another two. Hang on. Probably one. Like, we've already basically discussed like procedures and process to grow and develop the team. That's one more thing that I want to talk about. It's like we should implement something to help each other. Like obviously that Excel sheet that even I fail to fill in sometimes because it's so annoying to fill. Um, you know, but it's more of a what other resources do we need as a team? Like I'm constantly trying to find things that can improve our edge in trading, right? Like if we just cumulatively, like, I'm only one person, but if you, Indu, Al, Whittleton, we all like chip in, like trying to find a good trade. Like we look at Doge. Doge is a hot trade right now. Take a look at Doge, Whittleton. When you were gone, like we take a look at it. It looks hot.
I'm looking. Wait.
Yeah,
Let's search it.
I'm not gonna say anything. I just want you to look at it and you tell me like what. I think it's better than Ethereum Classic. That's all I'm gonna say. I,
Ooh!
yeah, see? And who found that? None other than our little Al, than our little
Indo!
bird. Al.
Owl? Indo?
Yeah, Al.
Let's go.
Indu, bro.
Camp.
Feel
Wow,
free.
it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Good one.
Don't be shy. I mean, I would probably take RSR as a swing, like mini swing position, but I also think that it will touch the bottom of this cloud here. Like, take a look. Like, it's here now, right? It's possible that it
Yeah.
just consolidates a little bit and then whack, just touches. Maybe once we take out these lows. What happened to me? Like, what happened to me with all these like coins? Like, yeah, I don't know. Like, because this, because spot is selling and I'm not too comfortable, right? So that's what I think right now.
I think honestly, to touch on your point, I think we can all provide input on what trades to take, and then everyone have their own feedback on that particular trade.
Yeah, that will feel free to question my trades. Like why? You know who loves to question me a lot, and I love it. Al, what? It's like why? I don't see it, and then I explain it to him, and it's okay. It's good because this way before I even post a trade, I need to make sure that it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, then fuck, I'm gonna get asked questions, and you know what I mean. Like it's good that we have this mentality like as a pack. I think we could dominate the market together. Hey guys, FYI, potential change of character on Bitcoin here. And remember what I said, if I was away and this trade happens, take it.
What are we taking?
This. Give me a second. I'll
So
go
if
on
it
XP.
goes
No,
above
no, 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 no.
26,
This. Wait. Wait for it. Don't go on this long on BTC yet, but wait for it. If it just keeps on going, like potential breakout. This is a 3.72 R trade.
What?
3.7 R
This
trade.
is.
BTC. Big Daddy.
Mhm.
Like
so does
wait,
it have to close above it, or like if it touches it, we should?
like this. 1 hour. And then you can enter your first entry. What I would recommend is you enter like on the first breakout you enter, and then when it pulls back you DCA. Okay, and then
Alright.
and then have no fear on the next DCA point. You just wicks are meant to be filled at least halfway, so this could potentially be like TP1 here. We could argue that it was already filled here halfway, but I think it wasn't done properly. So if it just goes up, under, hole, TP1, TP2, and I would exit. I would almost exit my full trade that I got from like 25,321. Like at this level here. Like this level. Or the next long would be like down, don't catch the knife, wait for reaction, wait for the big boys to come in first, and then we ride the wave with them. See, remember how I took that trade live, Whittleton? Just I waited. And I'm like, okay, and then I'll wait on the hourly
Yeah.
like this. Okay, I wait, right? And I turn this on. And then I said to him as well, if we close above this conversion, it's over for the Bears. And well, this happened the next hour when it closed. First pump. And then they're trying to short it, liquidated. Try to short it, liquidated. There we go. Similar to this play. So wait for the, so it's like this, right? Wait for the breakout and retest. See, he broke out of this mini range. He didn't give me a retest, but he gave me a better retest here. And I just took it. And I think this is a great level, just for a quick scalp. Scalperoonie. So, it's 2 o'clock. What are we taking? I'm on spot, so I'm not really worried about this XRP trade.
Do you think I should hedge with LDO?
No harm in absolutely no harm in hedging, my brother. I condone these type of acts, and this is a sexy long on Doge. I'm sorry, bro. I'm jacking your trade, man. I'm going on on futures on Doge. This is Peter's trade, so if we get stopped out, we'll just blame him. I'm joking. No, it's not. It's a nice trade. It's a nice trade. Um, like you can even make it tighter like this, like tight. But I don't like these wicks like this. See how these wicks stop hunts? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe just like that. Like lower your risk a little bit. I don't care if I get slammed here. I might even look for one coin to short. Can anyone look for a short for me?
I was gonna say LDO.
I'll review it.
That one on the 15 minute and the 1 hour looks pretty good.
Maybe $500. I'll go on this Doge trade. $500, 0.61117. 0.66117. Right? 1%, yeah? Not much. Maybe I'll double the risk. I'll double the risk here. 1,000. Right? Because I want it to be worth my time. I usually take 3. Straight away. Aim for 0.0752. Of course it moves down after I enter a trade. This is great. It's normal. Ah, this is the reason why. Anyway, don't care. I'm in. We play to win. Maybe I enter the second one here. Dollar cost average. Like that. What do you think? Dollar cost average?
Yeah.
Like this. Like this. No, I don't think am I even in Doge yet? Oh fuck, I'm not even in yet. .7. Let's just check first on CVD. Doge coin. Doge on, not on Bybit, on Binance. Yo, some spot building up here, boys. Some curling spots here. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. I mean, the XRP one was golden by Whittleton. 0.7052. 0.0752. And what time is it where the burgers is at?
What time is it now?
These guys are fuckwits. Come on, fill me in.
12.
I'm in. Boom. Alright, bro, no pressure. You're risking $27. But see, look at this. Look how I entered this trade. Are we watching? Like, this is the trade. Alright, risk management purposes, right? This is my trade. I like the trade. I put my stop loss heavily under the cloud because it's a bit thin. And the super trend, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supports. If BTC dumps, then so be it. If it consolidates, I think we'll be fine here. Okay. Yeah, let's just this is the entry, stop loss 0.07. It's a 4-hour trade. I'm risking $27 to make $195. Okay, simple. And I'll let it hit stop loss if I have to. It's 2%, big fucking deal. Next trade, I'll make something like that happen again. All right, no biggie. Or maybe a little bit lower here, like that. Because fuck Bybit. There we go. Now I'm risking 3%. Whatever, 3% it is. That's it. That's my only trade. Okay. If we are bullish, we shouldn't touch this. Middleton,
Yeah.
what are you thinking about, bro?
Dodge. I don't know, like
What's wrong?
it's a
Oh,
it's a, it's a big ask for Dodge.
it's a big ask. It's a big gap.
It's a big gap, yeah, I know. But like
Oh, someone's been watching my my levels. STX. Who's this? BTC USDT lot size calculator.
yeah, I guess Dodge will run up like I think yeah. I see it, but I see it. I see it. Sexy.
It
Oh,
was pretty.
but I'm like
Give me your doubts, bro. I love Bitcoin.
there's a lot of coins looking like this, you know? Like
And the only reason why Doge, I agree, cause see that curl?
in the spot buy.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's strong, kind of.
it's a real. It's like a real market. Like, I mean, worst case scenario, it'll fall down here again, and it'll still pump. That's why I have room. Why the fuck did it go up here? He fucking went mental. Anyway, it's more of a I'm looking at liquidations to find like to get my exit. You know what I mean? I'm hoping for people to get liquidated. See, the aim is right. You look at these people that got liquidated, right? You're hoping that they'll get in, and some people here got liquidated on longs as well. So I'm hoping that it'll just fucking listen to me and just run it up turbo. Let's go. That's me. That's me for the week. I know I said I didn't want to take a trade, but fuck, that's nice. God damn, traders are hypocrites, bro. I don't want to enter a trade. Oh, what do you want me to do? Look at this. So resistance, 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 resistance. Like how many touches do you want it to touch? And it closed above with demand there, above. And he went under and he closed above, and here is as well. Now, ideally speaking, if it starts closing underneath here, I'll close it early. I'll minimize my damage, but I'm happy to take this 3% as well. Considering that I see it hasn't done its move yet. I know it's a big ask, but look at this. Price is driven by obviously buyers as well, but it's actually like an auction. It triggers. You see what happened when I put a like a 5k bid on XRP? What he done? Like just
Yeah.
me, like a little bit. He just did that. Now this is XRP on spot. This is gonna pull back to here. But I want spot. I'm good.
Oh, by the way, I have an idea like for the Discord.
Yeah, tell
You
me.
said like you wanna combine the trays and see what everyone have found.
Mm-hmm.
So I saw like just an idea. Like I saw in a lot of Discord groups that has
Yeah.
been looking good. Like for example, there's three main traders or four main traders. For example, all Indo, you and me.
Mm-hmm.
So you have each of them a channel for each of us, and
Yeah.
then each of us posting their trades on their channel. Like Indus trades, Old's trades, your trades, my
Yes,
trades.
and we can criticize each other on chat, and that's fine. That's fine. This is how you grow
Yeah,
as a team. I'm I'm
just an idea. So
I'm absolutely fine with that. I'm happy if it will help
yeah,
us.
like if everybody's like loving it, so it can be an option. Why not?
Indu, are you ready to chat by yourself, bro? I believe in you, man. He's quiet. He's thinking. He's delayed. He's delayed. Yeah, make a trade. Oh yeah, a lot of discords have that. Just put corner like um main traders or whatever, and then have our own place so we can like post market news together. Yeah, this is nice. I say okay. Let's just finish off on this note. I'm already entered my trade. Um, Al, you there? He's like the MVP of this. Like, I see what you mean. That's what I mean. I was gonna put this separately. My audio is fucked again. Of course it is.
Hello?
Yo,
Oh, there we go.
hey,
I
yeah,
was thinking maybe we can just have. I know you can have separate channels, but what if we have one channel and then you place your trade and then you create a thread. That way you just kind of go into that thread
and
and
look at
talk
all your
about it.
trades.
Yeah, look at all your trades, because then what would happen is when people backtrack, all they do is they see the trades,
Mm,
but then it's kind of like a sub forum.
yeah. Oh, give me a second. This
I
is
don't
what
know.
we should
Either
do
way.
first. This is what we should do first. We'll. Oh wait, no. Indu is still inside the YouTube. That's fine. Um, I guess like share it. I can share my screen here actually. Give me a second. VC. Change screen. Change windows. Screen. Um, this one. Screen two, I think. Uh-huh. Now, like, I think everyone should also be able to like. I think can I? Yeah, I can post on market news. On top of this, on top of this, like, what happened to the bot? Did the bot die?
I don't know.
It
Well,
hasn't
I'll
been.
have to double check.
It hasn't posted recently. But you know who's really good at fundamentals? Whittleton. But he's too busy on charts these days.
I'm trying to find more Whittleton in myself, but I can't find. I need to practice on this one
You
to
did
focus on
practice.
both things.
Focus on your trade. I will with you taking part of the trades as well, like alleviating part of my job, like 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 Al gave me a trade, like him, like Al is giving me a trade to take, and I'm taking it. The difference is between me and him, I'm actually gonna take the trade. See what he does? He posts a trade, said he doesn't take it. It's like fuck, I should have taken it. He always does that. He always does that, and he fucking does good, right? And I'm happy, and he does these trades, and yeah, we'll see where this account takes us. But
The Dodge trade is Al's, right?
it's else, yeah.
It's your trade. Yeah, nice.
I mean, I hope it doesn't fucking crawl over and just whack goes to zero. But so far, I don't mind it. Just XRP is nice though. XRP is nicer. XRP is nicer. Just let it fucking relax. Don't freak out when you see big orders. That was I swear to you, that was just me. When I placed the price and it went up. That's how shit this market is right now.
Wow. So
Like you can't
we
just,
got
I can't just press buy on my other account and not expect the price to move because it'll fill the orders above. It's like an order book, right? Remember what I said about order books? It goes up, right? But look, it's not even that much Doge. I open like 15,000 Doge, right? Here, you see 15,000? I bought 15,000 Doge there. Look at
yeah.
the market. Look how thin it is. Look at the quantity. It's not much.
Oh wait, no, I think I see your Discord channel.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Oh shit, yeah, I was supposed to share your other one. No, but basically, maybe get rid of this 1k to 10k, 1k to alt trades, and spot challenge account. I'll just consolidate it. Like I always give you guys my balance anyway. Right now I'm at like 101, and like I'm at 1-1. I'm 10% up finally on my. Remember I was down like to $930 on my alt challenge account. Now it's at 1,100. It goes to show risk management goes a long way, right? And especially with my spot, it's looking good. It's still up 20%. Give me a second. Share your screen. Anyway, that's that.
I
Buy
will.
Doge.
I'll be leaving you guys alone. I'm going to walk my dog.
Yeah. Do that. And please, I'll get Al to open up, or maybe I will later. But I have no strength. But maybe Al can help me. He can open up like I think we should.
I'll just create a new roles for everyone.
Yeah. I want you to have your own, because this is the thing, right? Like we keep on posting on Traders Alpha. Look at you, look at you, bro. You're fucking looking at these things now. You have list of shit that you're watching, and you have like shit on like trade resources, bro. Like we should be looking at what you're doing too, and you're posting some good trades. Traders Alpha is nice, but I think if we have a place where we can just find, hey, what's Al trading? Hey, what am I trading? Hey, what's Middleton trading? You know what I mean? I think it's nice. I'll leave that with
Alright,
you.
cool.
You're like the head honcho.
Alright, no worries.
But Doge is looking good, bro. I think you should take that trade. Don't pussy out.
Oh, I already placed it ages ago when the hour closed.
Yeah, and are you risking how many percent you're risking? I'm risking 3%.
I'm all my trades are one now.
Fuck, why?
Why not?
No, okay. 1% it is.
It's all about risk management, right?
Ha 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 ha. Here I am telling you, hey bro, go fucking risk 3%, bro. You're doing fine. Nah, if you're risking 3%, you can be wrong how many times in a row? It's fine.
Yeah, that's all good.
What the fuck? Why is my stop loss so big? It's supposed to be here.
No, you should go to sleep, bro. What time is it in North?
In Australia? Yeah, after I
Bro,
suss
it's
out
like
this
2:30.
give me a second, let me just check this Doge trade. Right? I wanna aim. I'm aiming for this, right? For 7052. What the fuck? No, it's 7052. What the fuck is this? 7052. Yeah, 7052. Yeah, there. Or maybe even this. Right, fill this fucking wick. Just in case it's cam pumps.
Oh, the support.
Huh?
The support.
Nah, I just wanted to see if we can take that. But
Oh, sorry, the resistance. Right, yeah.
yeah, let's see what it looks like on the hourly. Come on, keep going, don't pussy out. Anyway, that's that. I'm done for now. Wish me luck on this trade. But even then, it's only 3%. In a way, I'm just risking my Bitcoin long here. Let's go Doge to the moon. Alright, bro. Take it easy. Have a nice night, huh?
Alright,
Well,
take
well
care.
done. Well
Cheers,
done.
mate.
Take it easy. Bye now.
Bye.